So listen, I'm working out a plan to do a back seat delete. That's a whole nother story though. But in the travels for looking for things to complete that mission, I came across something I had never really seen before. Seen a lot of MOLLE panels that went on the sides and things, and Unlimited has a lot of choices, not a whole lot for the Gladiator. So back on the counter back here, I got a little something. Let's take a peek at it. JCR Off-Road. It's a MOLLE panel that is going to be for the rear window inside the Gladiator. Pulled the instruction offline. Came wrapped in plastic. She is real heavy. You can see the gauge on that is real nice. Bag of fixings, a couple really nice mounts. Take a peek at the instructions. I'm going to screw a few things together real fast and we'll see how it goes. All right, we got some screws in this. Everything is in there real loose like. These are the kind of bolts where the nut on the back's got some friction. So later on when I go to twist these, it's gonna just tighten down. The way this curve is set up, the center piece goes on top, and then the two side panels, just screw down a couple side panels, put on a couple feet here. This flange up here goes up top. This is actually going to hook to the roll bar, and then this is going to hook to the bolts that keep the roof on. Alright, so I'm going to go slide her in there and I'll give you a look at what's up. Alright, so not only are we going to take off the bolts that hold the back on in preparation, I had to wedge in here. This, up on this pillar, this screw has to come out. That's where you're going to clip in just a second. To the back piece. All right, I'll bolt it down. Got everything in those corners taken care of. Up there, there's a little bracket you see. All right, so very secure on the bottom and those two corners. Top will wiggle just a little bit. I like that they left this window open. There's still room for you to get in there with your finger to get it open to started. Get it back shut. Everything's nice and secure. I actually used the stock bolts. I'm not sure. They sent me fresh ones, but I'm not sure what the problem with them is. So I just used stock, and there we go. All right, so I'm going to put the seats up and give you a look at what it looks like if you're not. Me, I'm tearing the back. I'm tearing all this out, but you might be keeping this part. So let's take a peek at it. Put the seats up. Still plenty of clearance. You got a lot of room on this top rack. I wouldn't say there's a whole lot of room behind the seat, but there's going to be some room next to it. There's a whole bunch of room next to it here. Oh, that panel's cut out. So. All right, from the front seat, nice enclosed compartment back there. Now, I do recommend this is going to be something for somebody that's got a digital rearview mirror so that you can see what's going on out back there. All right, hopefully that was pretty straightforward. That thing looks real solid. I'm pretty happy with it. I have a flimsier MOLLE panel coming for the roof that I will probably install along with the back seat delete. So look forward to that. I got the materials already, so we should get ready to bang that out soon.